Hello Internet, Lester Nare here at WikiRealty. It is Thursday, May 16th, and we are here today to talk about Facebook's new ad relevancy scores. It's actually something that they rolled out in April, but for those of you who don't know, the Facebook ad relevancy score was an old rating system from 0 to 10 that basically said, how relevant was your ad to the audience that you were trying to advertise to. Facebook announced that they were going to replace that old relevancy score with 3 new, more granular sort of ratings and rankings to help advertisers better understand how their creative, their targeting, and their objectives were working. So now the 3 new sort of metrics that are going to be in the Facebook ads dashboard for you to use at your leisure include a quality ranking. So the quality ranking is going to take your ad's perceived quality and compare it to other ads that were going after the same audience. There's also engagement rate ranking. So this is now going to look at your ad's expected engagement rate compared to other ads going after the same audience you're going after. And then last but not least, conversion rate ranking. This is going to take your ad's expected conversion rate and compare it to other ads going after the same audience that you're going after. And this is actually a huge benefit to advertisers like us at WikiRealty, where we're doing hyper-local content ads for our subscribers throughout the US. This really gives us a great insight into what's working and not working at the neighborhood level, both as we're thinking about the creative as well as what topics are engaging in particular neighborhoods. So we found it very useful. Curious to hear if you have been using these new metrics, what you think about them, and what success stories you have to share. And that's it for today's Moment of Zest. Catch you soon.